Hello, my friends. This is a quick overview of my second book. It got published today and it describes 6 pairs of methods that form identical edges when we cast on and bind off stitches. When you choose a perfect cast on and bind off duo for your project, you can easily assess each pair of methods by looking at the close-up photo and the icons depicting the elasticity, the level of difficulty, and the required tools. All that at-a-glance information is provided on the title page of each matching cast-on and bind-off duo. Once the choice is made, simply follow detailed step-by-step instructions to add the matching edges to a project worked back and forth or in the round. If you need a quick reminder of the steps involved in performing each method, cut out the quick reference cards available at the end of each chapter and keep those cards on hand as you add matching edges to your project. The softcover and digital version of this book are available at tenrosday.com/matching-cast-ons-bind-offs and at all major book retailers. Get yourself a copy and bring the look of your knitted creations to a totally new level.